Got me a rooftop day today. At least it's nice and breezy up here. Got 3 units here, another 4 units at Laser Max, and another 3 units somewhere else. All right, keep it short and simple. Tighten there. Get the little tabbies off, and it is hella hot up here. No breeze. Get the old ones out. These ones aren't as bad as those ones, but still change them. Get the new filters in. So hot they're sticking together. Get the cover back on. And clearing the drain. Ooh, it needed it. Alright, slap her back on. Alright, so it got a little sweaty up there. Just a wee bit. Alright, last rooftop set for the day. It's the most trickiest one. Fucking tall ass building. Tall ass ladder. Big ass filters. Hot as hell. Well, the list goes on. Had problems with the latch the last time. Okay, not today. Oh yeah. A couple more trips of this to bring up the filters. Just a little preview of the shit I gotta get up. Only 2 filters at a time. 6 filters need to come up.